Every day, millions of healthcare professionals rely on a single essential barrier, the medical glove. At HARPS Global, we are committed to protecting those who protect others. Here at Central Medicare, protection begins in our purpose-built manufacturing facility, supported by advanced production systems. Our operations follow strict safety and compliance principles that guide every stage of production. From our offices to our meeting rooms, our shared spaces support the coordination and oversight that keep our operations efficient and aligned. This is where ideas are shared, decisions are shaped, and the teamwork behind every glove begins. In our control room, every stage of production is monitored with precision. Real-time data and oversight ensure that our lines operate at the highest standards of quality and consistency. At HARPS Global, we create more than gloves. We deliver confidence, protection, and trust. Thank you for choosing HARPS Global.